Next is example 4.2. So let us read this example. If the magnetic field is parallel to positive y-axis and the charged particle is moving along positive x-axis, which way would the Lorentz force be? First for an electron, that is negative charge, and second is a proton, positive charge. So let us see this diagram. So here in this diagram all the three axes are shown. This is z axis, this is x axis, and this one is y axis. So all these are positive axis. Now negative, this is negative y, that means negative y is out of the plane of paper, this positive y is inside the plane of paper. So that's why this magnetic field is shown by a cross. That means this magnetic field is inside the plane of the paper. Now velocity of the charged particle is along positive x-axis. In this direction this is negative x-axis. Now this is positive z-axis, this is negative z-axis. So what is the question? Question is that the magnetic field is along the positive y-axis, that means inside the plane of the paper. The particle is moving along with the positive x-axis. What would be the direction of this Lorentz force? So we have to tell the direction of this Lorentz force. We are given two conditions. First case, when this charge is negative, that means electron. In the second case, when the charge is positive, that means proton. So what would be the direction of this? So let us solve this. The velocity v of the particle is along x-axis, so that we know, while b is magnetic field along y-axis. So this is along this axis. So v cross b is along z-axis. So v cross b is along z-axis. Screw rule. So the for electron it will be along minus z-axis. For a positive charge this will be along positive z-axis. So answer is written here. Answer is written here, but it is not clear. So let us do some mathematics so we can understand that how is this answer coming. So let us write it in this way. So we know this is magnetic field. Since this is in y-axis, so how can we write? So we know that I, j, k. These things we know, unit vector. So simply this I is positive x-axis, this j is positive y-axis, k is positive z-axis. So by, this is in positive y-axis, that means bi. So we can write this as bi. Similarly v is in positive x-axis, so we can simply write, sorry, this one is j, this is y, so j. So this v is positive I-axis. Now let us do the multiplication. So we know F is equal to Q V cross B. So this is the equation, Q V cross B. Now for the first case, when this charge is negative, that means minus E. For electron, charge is minus E. First case is this electron. So minus E, V is Vi cross Bj. And now the rule for cross multiplication, I cross J is simply K. Okay, I cross J is simply K. Similarly, J cross K is simply I, and K cross I is simply J. But if they are in reverse order, that means J cross I that is minus K. So if any of this rotation, these are in rotation. So this is I, next is J, third one is K. So I cross J is K, K cross I is J, and J cross K is I, but if we rotate it in opposite direction, I cross K, then it is negative J. So this thing we have to remember. So now here we see this will come out as minus E V B, and now this I cross J is K. If we see, we can write it as this force as F is equal to minus, let us take minus outside, EVB into minus K. So what would be the direction? K is Z, minus K is minus Z. So for electron it is minus Z. For electron it is minus Z. Now let us solve for proton. For proton, this Q is positive E, charge is same but on the positive X, positive. Now what is V? V is same in the X direction, so VI. What is the magnetic field B? By is simply B into J. Now what is the direction of force? F is equal to Q V cross B. So this is the equation. From this equation, Q is positive E, V is VI, B is BJ. Again I cross J is K. So what we have? E, V, B and unit vector K. K means Z axis. So for proton it is positive Z axis. So in this way we can solve that for negative particle it is minus Z axis, and for positive particle it is positive Z axis. Similarly we can solve for other cases as well. Now let us see motion in a magnetic field. It is the case when a charged particle is moving in magnetic field. What will happen when a charged particle move in a magnetic field? So let us see what happens then. So the magnetic force is perpendicular to the velocity of the particle. So now no work is done and no change in the magnitude of velocity is produced, though the direction of momentum may be changed. So what they are trying to say? Here we can see that this is the direction of the velocity of the charged particle. This is a particle, positive Q. This is moving in this direction, and the direction of magnetic field is represented by this cross. That means magnetic field is inside the plane of the paper. So this is the direction inside the plane of the paper, that is the direction of the magnetic field. So here it is written the magnetic force perpendicular to the velocity of particles. So here we can see that velocity is in positive Z direction, magnetic field is in positive Y direction. Since this charge is positive, this force is in this direction, this force is in this direction. Now if this force is perpendicular, if this force is perpendicular to the motion of this particle, the magnetic force is perpendicular to the velocity of the particle, in that case no work is done, work done is 0. In this case work done is 0, and no change in the magnitude of velocity. That means velocity also not changes, velocity will remain same. So the speed will remain same v. Only thing is that there is a change in momentum or change in direction. That means change in the direction but no change in speed. Again, listen again what they are trying to say. If the particle is moving in this direction and magnetic field is inside the plane of the paper, and we calculate the force is in this direction, So we can calculate what would be the direction of the force as we have seen in previous example. So if in this case when force is perpendicular to this velocity, then no work will be done, the velocity will not change, this will not change the magnitude of velocity. That means speed will not change, only the direction of momentum will change.